Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mind Quest. Today, we're going to talk about 5 tips from psychology to boost productivity amongst students. So, take a moment and think about this. How many times have you sat down to study, opened your book or your laptop, and then found yourself scrolling through your phone just a few minutes later? Well, we all want to be productive, but sometimes our mind just doesn't cooperate. In psychology, productivity isn't just about how much we do, it's about how aligned our mind, emotions, and environment are. So, today we'll explore 5 tips based in psychology to help our students study smarter, stay motivated, and find balance, not through pressure but through presence. So, tip 1: understand your why, the power of intrinsic motivation. Psychology shows us that motivation is of two types: extrinsic and intrinsic. Extrinsic motivation comes from outside, so that could be grades, recognition, or pressure. Intrinsic motivation comes from within, which is curiosity, passion, purpose. When you study only for results, your brain activates stress related circuits, increasing cortisol. But when you study because you genuinely want to grow or master something, the brain releases dopamine, which is the chemical for reward and joy. So here's the first practice. Before you start studying, ask yourself, why does this matter to me? Even if it's a subject you don't love, find a small connection. How does it expand your understanding? How does it help you in your long term goals? When the why is clear, focus naturally follows. Tip 2: manage your energy, not just your time. We often say, I don't have enough time. But time isn't the real problem, energy is. Well, according to research in cognitive psychology, our focus works in cycles of about 90 minutes, known as ultradian rhythms. So instead of forcing yourself to study for hours, try focus 90-minute sessions followed by short breaks. You can walk around, stretch, breathe, look outside. This resets your nervous system and boosts retention. Also, notice what drains your energy: multitasking, noise, or emotional stress, and what renews it: quiet, movement, music, or a deep breath, probably. When you manage your energy consciously, productivity becomes effortless. Tip 3: the environment shapes the mind. Your surroundings silently influence your thoughts and behavior. In psychology, this is called situational influence, the idea that your environment cues certain behaviors automatically. So, create a space that invites focus. Keep your desk minimal. Use natural lights or soft, warm tones. Play instrumental music that calms your mind or use binaural beats. And most importantly, remove distractions from your visual field, because even seeing your phone can pull your attention unconsciously towards it. When your environment is intentional, your mind starts associating that space with clarity and concentration. Tip 4: reframe stress, make it your ally. Many students think stress is the enemy, but psychology reveals it's not stress itself that hurts you, but it's your interpretation of stress that actually causes the damage. So, when you feel anxious before an exam, try reframing that emotion as energy. Your body is preparing you to perform. This mindset shift activates different neural pathways and helps your brain function more effectively. So, the next time your heart races, say to yourself, this is my body giving me energy. When you embrace stress with awareness, it transforms from panic to power. Tip 5: practice mindfulness and compassion. No matter how organized or disciplined you are, there will be off days. Mindfulness is the art of being present, which helps you respond instead of react. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing before study sessions can regulate your nervous system, improve focus, and reduce anxiety. Self compassion, too, plays a huge role in sustained productivity. Studies show that people who forgive themselves for procrastination are more likely to get back on track than those who self criticize. So remember, productivity isn't about perfection, it's about progress, balance, presence, and perseverance. So, as you move forward, remember these 5 tips. Motivation grows from meaning. Energy management beats time management. Environment shapes behavior. Stress can be your ally. And compassion fuels consistency. When you apply these small shifts, you'll notice studying no longer feels like pressure and it becomes a mindful practice. So take a deep breath and remind yourself you are capable, you are evolving, and you are allowed to grow at your own pace. Thank you for tuning in. If this resonated with you, share it with someone who needs a little gentle motivation today.